Star Corporation has two departments, car rental and truck rental. Central costs may be allocated to the two departments in various ways. So the question is asking if administration expense of $56,520 is allocated on the basis of number of employees, the cost per cost driver rate would be what? So in order to do this, we're going to do our administration expense divided by the number of employees for car rental and truck rental. The reason why we're dividing by the number of employees is because it tells us that it's allocated on the basis of number of employees. So our administration expense is $56,520, and then our number of employees for car rental is 105, plus the truck rentals for number of employees is 75. That equals 180. So 56,520 divided by 180 is going to give us $314. So $314 is the cost per cost driver rate.